Hello, hello, my crafty friends. How are you? This is Kristina Reese, Creating with Kristina, and I have a card kit by mail for the month of February. I am using the Beautiful Butterflies stamp set. Now, the stamp set is not included in the kit, but there is an option for you to add it on. The stamp bundle also comes with the dies. The dies cut out a butterfly card, also cuts out butterflies, some labels, some great die. But what's really great about this die set is it's a hybrid die and embossing folder. So you can put the die right here. Let me grab it right here. And when you run it through the machine, it embosses and cuts out at the same time. Isn't that so cool? All right. Like I said, this part, the stamp and the dies are not included in the card kit by mail unless you add it on with option 2. But the card kit itself, these are the cards. So here's the first one. Cute circles. I am using the mixed media designer paper series. I just thought these florals were gorgeous with the butterflies. So got that one. We've got this one. This one uses that butterfly card die that I showed you. Isn't that fun? Then there's this one, and you pull the message card out to see that card. And then it goes back in. And then finally, this one with the beautiful pinks. Okay, so the kit gives you all of the card stock that you need to make these 4 cards, but you get enough for 2 each. So for 8 cards, you get 2 each. You get all the card stock pre-cut, except anything that's cut with the dies with the butterfly kit, the butterfly bundle. If it's a part of the butterfly bundle, then you cut it yourself. But I do give you the cardstock to do so. So that's that. This one, however, I will emboss this background for you. It's the plaid embossing folder. Really fun. So I'll do that for you. Also, I will cut these pieces, these florals, and this tag here out for you. That's not included in the butterfly bundle, so I'll do that for you. And then finally, this circle is embossed. I'll do that. This circle I'll cut out for you, but all the rest you'll do. Okay, so those are the cards. Then you also, besides getting a half pack of the designer paper, so the designer paper is 12 by 12. And what I do is I just take a cutting machine that I have and I just cut the pack right in half. So you get 6 by 12 paper, and it's a half of the pack. Then you also get the spool of the beautiful petal pink ribbon. And these are called, excuse me, low profile dots. They have the petal pink, but they also have the gold. So you get, this is the kit products. This is the kit. This is all option 1. Then option 2, you can add on the stamp set and dies. Option 3 is just the tutorial. It's just emailed to you. It's the PDF and the video of the cards being put together. Okay, I hope you're interested in this kit. If you need any more information, please email me, Kristina at creatingwithkristina.com, and I will send you the information. Or if you're already on my newsletter email list, you should have gotten some emails already about this card kit. I send out the information 3 times in your email. That way, if you're thinking about it, but then you almost forget about it, I send you a reminder. But if you don't get my emails, then send me an email and I'll send you the link. I'll send you the information. Okay, thanks again. And like I said, I hope you love February's card kit by mail.